Hi guys, and today I will be making some slime. Can you guys see it? Oh yeah, you can. Okay, so, sorry, my nose keeps itching. I will be showing you how to make slime, but I actually can't show you because for some reason this thing that I'm putting my video on, well, my vlog, will not let me put stuff in front of the camera. It'll only let me put slime in front of the camera. So, I can't actually show you, but I'll tell you what you can use. So, yeah. It's going to be the exact same slime as this. So, I'm going to get started. So, it might not work for you guys. You might do it wrong. So first, you're going to get some slime, and you're going to need to take a little bit. Like a tiny tad bit. I can't get how much I need. This much. Can you see that? That much. Okay, so so I put it in my bowl. So you're done putting it in your bowl. You want to grab some Tide and put it in your bowl. Well, if you use a bowl. And let me do that. Okay. And then when you're done with your Tide, put some stuff in it to make it a different color. And then stir it. So. Okay. So when you're done with that, keep stirring a lot, but I already did it, so. And then when it is the color that you want it to be, just stop stirring. And then you're gonna, like, put it in the freezer or fridge if you want to, for about 15 to 20 minutes, or 1 hour. 1 hour would work. But if you don't want to put it in the freezer or your fridge, then I prefer just leave it alone. And after you leave it alone, for a couple of minutes, or for 1 day, I would prefer 1 day. Sorry about that. If you heard something, that's just what it's just the tablet that I'm doing my video on. It does that all the time. It gets annoying. And if you keep hearing that, I'll just stop talking and I'll close my eyes and I might hit the screen. And then after 1 day, or 15 to 20 minutes, or 1 hour, if you guys are talking, I'm so sorry. Then you can just play with it. But if it's not exactly how you wanted it, it's fine. You did your best. But if it's frozen after 15 to 20 minutes, then just hit something on it for a lot of time. And then when it's like done being frozen, or if you just let it sit there and like cool off and not be frozen anymore, then yeah, that's a good idea. And after that, it should be ready for you to play with. Like, see it, look at that. It changed its color. Wow, I don't even want it this color. What the heck happened? What the heck happened to my slime? It changed to a different color because my hands, it was purple. The last time that I made my other slime. I don't want this to be purple. It was supposed to be pink, but it's purple. Little tiny purple. Oh no. Okay, it got on the tablet. Okay. Got on the tablet keyboard. I'm gonna put this back in, and that's all for today. Please subscribe, push the bell, and don't forget to like this video. And bye.